How to save your favorite restaurants on Grubhub. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want quick access to your go-to food spots, here is how to save your favorite restaurants on Grubhub. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Grubhub app and here make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, you can simply search for the restaurants that you want to save, or you can simply scroll through the list of the local spots. And here, once you found your restaurants that you want to save, you can simply tap on it. And now here, once you are inside the restaurant page, you can just tap on the heart icon shown in the top right side of the screen. And now here, once you tap on it, it will be automatically added to your favorites. And here it says that it is saved to home. So here, if you go back there, you can see your favorite spots that you have added. And that's it. That's how you can save your favorite restaurants on Grubhub. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.